Hello friends, my name is Leah of Cozy Crochet Co, where I show you how to crochet the cozy way. And in today's video, we are celebrating our 100k subscribers by doing a giveaway. I am so excited. I can't believe that I have hit 1k subscribers and I couldn't have done it without all you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And to show my appreciation, we're gonna be doing a nice little size giveaway. Before I get started with that, I do want to talk about the rules of the giveaway. So one, you do have to be a subscriber. You do have to be at least 18 years or older. You have to live in the United States. I'm not yet able to do international shipping just yet, but hopefully the next time I do a giveaway, I'll be able to do that. Make sure you like this video, share, so then your other friends can enter the giveaway as well. Oh, towards the end of the video, I'm going to ask you to comment something special. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to end so you don't miss that little special detail that needs to be in your comments for you to be chosen. The giveaway will go from May 9th to May 16th, so you have a week to enter. And I will be making a video announcing the winner. I will not be in the comments saying that people won between this video and the next video. Normally I'm very active in my comments, but for this video and the next video announcing the winner, I will not be in the comment section. I will only be announcing the winner through another video when the contest ends. I hope that makes sense. So if anybody tells you to email them and then they're asking for your card information, that's not me. Don't give people your information. The winner will be chosen on May 16th in a video of me live drawing the person, and then that person will contact me. I'll get their information and then I will ship out the goodies to them. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into what is in this box of goodies. When I decided that I was going to be doing a giveaway, I wanted to pretty much do all of my favorite yarns and yarn products and people who I've talked about in different videos. So, and also we had to have a project bag. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this nice project bag. It is corduroy and you have two big pockets on the front. You have a magnetic closure and it's really nice and deep and wide for all your projects and notions and stuff. And it's super cute. I kind of wanted to keep this for myself, but I bought it specifically for the giveaway. So you have a nice little project bag. So we have this beautiful merino silk yarn. We have some Virginia cotton. Very nice. I'm thinking you can make like a really nice bag out of it, or maybe a bucket hat for the summer. Okay. We have some of my favorite worsted weight yarn, and this is Lime Brand's Heartland yarn in the color King's Canyon. And then this one I almost didn't want to let go. I didn't want to let go of this one. We have the Yarn Bee Chloe in Spring Petals. I absolutely love this yarn. This is like a roving style yarn, and it's absolutely delicious. And I didn't want to give this away, but it's going to somebody who probably use it and not hoard it like me. And oh, what's this? How did this get in here? Oh, well, we should open it up together and find out. Ah, yes, I know that's kind of corny, but we are expecting a little baby. That's my little peanut there. We don't know if it's a girl or a boy. I'm hoping for a girl. But yeah, so in the comments, I want to know, what baby items should we make for little baby Young? My baby is going to be due in November 26th. I'm super excited. And we'll be expanding our family. I'm nervous, but excited at the same time. So down below in the comments, I want you to comment what I should make for my baby. What things I should crochet for my baby. So yeah, that was a little fun announcement, huh? All right, let's continue to what's in the box because we're not done yet. I wanted to include some things from my favorite people that I talk about here on my channel. So of course we had to have some February Fiber Co yarn. This is in the color Super Spicy. It's a weight 1 yarn. It's super fine merino. I'm sorry, super wash merino and nylon. And it's this amazing purplish brown color. stunning. I also got this sock blank. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. So this sock blank, when because she hand dyes all of her yarn, so sometimes when she dyes yarn, she'll have a little bit of dye left, so she'll use like sock blanks and put the rest of the dye on it, and it creates this very interesting color scheme. And I am absolutely obsessed with like this light blue and the purple. So if you're a purple girly, this is definitely for you. So yeah, I thought this was really interesting. And of course you just would unravel it and cake it up, and you would make it into whatever project you want. Or I did content creation here on YouTube. I used to make stitch markers, and I used to sell them at like well, honestly I only sold 5. But I would sell them at like yarn stores. So you have these, cute, and they're like all crystal or glass beads. And then you have these. So this is a pack of 5 and this is a pack of 10. Handmade by me. I like to always keep these. I always like to give these away when I do giveaways, because I'm giving away other people's yarn. So I want to give something that I made as well. And then what is a crochet giveaway without crochet hooks? This is an indie crochet hook designer by Crochet Bow. This is their hook. It's a resin hook. It's a 10mm. And you see they have their, it's called Crochet Bow. I thought this looked really cool, and it looked like a Harry Potter wand. And so I know somebody will love these hooks as much as I do. They're really cool. And then of course I talked about O'Fair all the time. O'Fair Co. So you get her aquamarine hook in the 7mm, in 7mm. And you get her amethyst hook in a 4mm. So you get 3 nice resin crochet hooks. Not gonna lie, didn't want to give these away, but you're gonna get them for free. So that is it for everything that you're gonna receive in the giveaway, except for my ultrasound picture. That's kind of creepy if I gave you a picture of my fetus. Isn't that so exciting? I'm gonna be a mama again. So before we go, let's go over the rules of the giveaway. You have to be 18 years or older. You have to live in the United States, because I can't ship international just yet. You have to be subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video and comment down below what baby items should I make for my little baby that's going to be coming in November. Super excited for that. Giveaway will end May 16th. I will announce the winner in a video. I will never announce the winner in the comments. And then that winner will then contact me, email me with their information, and then I will then send out their items. All right, I'm super excited. This is my first giveaway, so I hope it goes smoothly. But before I go, I just want to say a big thank you to you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for clicking on all the links. Thank you for reading all my blog posts on my website. Thank you for following me. Thank you for subscribing to me. Thank you for shouting me out, especially the people who shouted me out in their videos. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I just felt absolutely welcomed and to this crochet community here on YouTube, and it's just a wonderful feeling to know that people who are like-minded love the same things that I do and are willing to support me through this journey. And I'm just so thankful, absolutely thankful. And this is definitely the year of abundance and the year of prosperity. And I'm starting to feel it. I'm starting to feel it. And that's why I really wanted to do this giveaway, to share some of this prosperity with you. And I'm hoping that I can do more of these in the future, really depending on how everything goes. So thank you again so much. And with that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day. And as always, create something gorgeous. Bye, guys.